Have you ever seen what's inside a CPU die? How to say, these things are a lot stronger than what you would think. That was really not easy to open. So this here is with the silicon cap removed, and it's giving some really nice looking colours. Check that out. So I zoomed in a heap. You can see different sort of parts of the CPU. Looks really neat. Here's a closer look at it. I think that looks really nice. Don't worry, this whole motherboard was about to be thrown out. I thought I'd have a bit of fun with it before I got thrown out. That's the CPU die.